Who is that? Who is that? Come in, the door is open. Come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Sugar.
Sister Abekbere.
Dad.
Sister Abekbere, what are you doing here? Why are you here?
Dad,
You better start talking.
it's not what you think. It's not what you think, Daddy.
How do you know what I'm thinking? So what is it? Tell me, what is it?
Daddy, I don't know what I'm doing
I
here.
know you don't know what you are doing. So this is what you do. I sent you to school to go and study there. This is what you are doing. You left, oh my God. You chose prostitution over academics?
Daddy, no. Daddy, please.
How will your mother feel when she hears this?
Daddy, please, it's not what you think. I beg you, Daddy, please.
How do you know what I'm thinking? Look at you.
Daddy,
What will you get up? Get up from there. Will you get up before I stamp you?
Please, I beg you, don't tell mommy about this. Don't tell mommy, please.
It's because you want to kill the woman. You want to kill that poor woman who loves you unconditionally. And when you go and indulge in prostitution, this is what you do in school after providing you the best of life. Oh my God. Come on, give me a chance.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Yeah. Hello, just get me the potter here now. Yeah, hello? Yes. Oh, I am just arriving at the reception now. Oh, okay, yeah. I think they would have done that now, but now that I'm here, I'll find out if they have. Okay, I will check and I will let you know. Right, thank you.
Good day, sir.
Welcome. Thank you. How are you?
Fine, sir.
All right. Did you change my suit like I told you in the morning?
Yes, sir, we did.
All right. So, let's go.
What's the room number?
212.
Okay, sir.
It's revving.
Hello? Honey? Yeah, I'm in the room now. The suite is good. The facilities are new. But I don't know of their hospitality, but the people at the reception, they look good. In fact, I asked the young man to, I don't like to take heavy food at night. So I prefer something, like fruits and things like that. Yes. Oh, don't worry. I'll take care of myself. Huh? Yes. I think somebody's at the door. I think it's the porter. Let me talk to him. I'll get back to you later. Come in. Okay, honey. Take care. Hmm? Oh, yeah.
Good day, sir.
Yes. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah. I was wondering if you can just get me, one young guy to just massage my bones for tonight.
Okay, sir. That won't be a problem.
Very good.
I don't know if you have a special person.
No. But of course, I wouldn't want, local fowl. I want, a classy lady, nice, not too big, not too thin. You understand?
All right, sir. You have no problem with that.
Yes.
But just that we've been paid.
No, you have no problem. I know how these things are done. Just do your job and leave the rest for me, okay?
Okay, sir.
If you give me your details, I'll be able to do that now. All right, just give me
80
0
29
29
27
27
03
03
40.
4.
First bank.
Yeah.
Cage code.
All right. Is your phone there with you?
No, sir. At the security post.
Oh, okay, don't worry. It has gone. You get the alert. Once you get it, well, let me know.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Yes. I'll be expecting you. Right. Okay. Ooh.
How do I look?
You look really good.
Thank you. Oh, Potter. Hello, Potter. How far now? Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm booked for the night. You know what? Let me tell Zara to come. Let me ask her if she will go. You know how Zara can behave, right? Okay. Zara? Potter said there is a big fish that came into town that you need to catch up with. Are you interested? Or should I tell him to go look for another babe for the man?
A big fish?
Yes, a very big one.
Alright, let me give it a try. I'll come.
You will? Okay. She said she will come. She's in for the game. She'll be there in a jiffy. Okay, I will. Alright, thank you. Babe, I want you to look your best tonight. Okay?
I will. You should trust me on that.
I trust you. Alright.
Let me just finish this and I'll go get ready.
Make sure you don't go late though. Please. Look for my hand though.
Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to Bremy Hotels and Suites. How may I help you?
I am looking for Potter.
Potter.
Yes, Potter.
Okay.
Good evening, beautiful.
Guy, have fun now.
What's
Say don't forget me.
No, you're my own person. How will I forget you? It's just that there is no work. You know, life is a risk, and we keep taking it. Well, the man has been waiting since. Let's just go.
Okay. Thank you.
See all these things you are doing. The day you put yourself into trouble.
Who is that? Who is that? Come in, the door is open. Come in.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello, Sugar.
Sister Abedbere.
Dad.
Sister Abedbere, what are you doing here? Why are you here?
Dad,
You better start talking.
it's not what you think. It's not what you think, Daddy.
How do you know what I'm thinking? So what is it? Tell me, what is it?
I don't know what I'm doing
I
here.
know you don't know what you are doing. So this is what you do. I sent you to school to go and study there. This is what you are doing. You left, oh my God. You chose prostitution over academics?
Daddy, no. Daddy, please.
How will your mother feel when she hears this?
Daddy, please, it's not what you think. I beg you, Daddy, please.
How do you know what I'm thinking? Look at you. What will you get up? Get up from there. Will you get up before I stamp you?
Please, I beg you, don't tell mommy about this. Don't tell mommy, please.
Yes, because you want to kill the woman. You want to kill that poor woman who loves you unconditionally. And when you go and indulge in prostitution, this is what you do in school after providing you the best of life. Oh my God. Woman, give me a chance.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Yeah. Hello, just get me the potter here now.
I wonder why he's not answering his calls. Why, what's the matter? I'm just trying to find out if he has eaten. And also to whisper goodnight to his ears.
Sir, anything?
Is this the lady you brought for me?
Yes, sir. She is very beautiful and new into the game.
Are you sure this is the lady you brought for me?
Yes, sir. Don't you like her?
Okay, you can go.
Okay, sir.
Why is your face like this? What happened?
It's nothing much. It's just that Mr. Wixon is busy asking me if it's Zara I brought for him. Zara is beautiful, or is she not?
Of course, she's beautiful. But what exactly is the problem? That's what I want to know.
I don't know, but the atmosphere in there is not friendly at all.
Really?
Yes, but despite that, I've taken my own calls and no returning.
Money that you refuse to share.
You know, it's for her to do her duty.
You. Rest.
I sent you to school to study. But this is what you ended up doing. So this is what you do behind us, behind your family. And what baffles me is that I don't know why you do this. You can't tell me you lack money because I give you more than enough for your upkeep. So why?
Daddy is the devil. That is not really what you think.
Okay? So please shut up your mouth. Keep quiet and stop looking for lie to cover up your immoral behavior.
Daddy, I can explain.
God will keep your expression. Keep your expression to yourself. Keep your expression to yourself.
Maybe I should call Zara to see if she can get her father online. Dad, it's Mom.
Answer her now. And tell her a lie that you are in evening class. That's what you always been doing. You didn't know we are sponsoring a prostitute.
Dad, why are you rubbing this on me like I am the only guilty one here? To think that you've been cheating on Mom. Do you think Mom will be happy to know that you've been cheating on her too? I already said I'm sorry. It's actually my first time. Yes, I know I don't have any justification for my actions. But you were also as guilty as I am. What do you need hookup girls at your age? You do hookups. And you're here casting a stone. She's not answering too.
You are going home with me first thing tomorrow morning.
Dad?
Yes, you heard me right. First thing tomorrow morning, you are leaving with me.
Dad, I can't. I can't. I have a quiz tomorrow.
Well, I have said my own, and that is final.
Dad, you can't do this. I'm in my final year. Every quiz and test are very important. Dad, I can't miss it, please. Dad, look at it. If you think I'm lying, just look at our group chat. Just look at it. Dad?
What's been going through? What's going on? I've been trying to reach her. Hey, somebody. Hello, Potter. How far now? What about my friend now, eh? I've been trying to reach her since. All to no have, her number is not connecting. What's going on? Please, you need to know her whereabouts. I need to talk to her. Eh? You know this our game is a risky one. And she's new in this game. Please. Yeah, she's still fresh in the game. Your court is a must. You must have your own court. But please, I'm very worried about her. Eh? I need to know her whereabouts. Please ask your colleagues. I beg. Alright, thank you. Please, I'm waiting. No, I'm waiting for your call, please. Thank you. Thank God.
Oga, welcome, sir. Oga, welcome. Oga, welcome, sir. This one where Oga no dey talk. You sure say everything dey okay? I mean, make we dey run. I mean, I don't know. And my salary na dem important though.
What? Yeah.
Are you back?
Yes.
What happened? You didn't tell me you were coming back this morning. What's the matter? You don't look bright. I even called you throughout last night. You didn't answer. Neither did you return my calls. And here you are, this morning looking like this. What's the matter, sweetheart?
Nothing is the matter. I had a hectic day yesterday and I think I'm having malaria because I didn't sleep well last night. So I just want to go up now, take my shower and rest.
It's okay.
Yes.
Go and take your shower. Let me prepare something for you.
No, you don't have to bother yourself. I took the hotel's breakfast before I left this morning.
Okay.
Yes.
Please give me. Let me take your bag inside.
Okay.
Please.
Okay.
Honey, your food is ready. Come downstairs so you can eat. What's the matter? Honey, why are you ignoring me? Why? Ever since you came back from this your summit, you've been like this. You've not been talking to me. You've been ignoring me. What's the matter? Whatever it is, you can talk to me. I am your wife. Talk to me, sweetheart. I am your wife. Say something. Now, what is eating him up? Where did he go to without even touching his food? What could be the problem now? Have I done anything wrong to him that will make him not to even touch my food? He doesn't even want to answer me. I think I have... No, let me call Chizam. I'm sure she will know because she's Daddy's favorite. Let me just find out.
As it stands now, I still don't know how to face them. It's as if my whole world came to a standstill. Why does it have to be my dad? Why not another person? My strict dad. How do I face him?
This is too much. This is too much for you. How can something like this happen to you? Oh my God.
Milky.
Yes, dear.
You should think of something. I mean, anything. You and Mide are experts in this. Just come up with something. How do I remedy this? Because my mom mustn't hear of this. She will skin me alive. How do I go about this?
This is too much. I don't even know.
I need to do something. Please. Just think of something for me. Please.
What's going on? Chizram is not also answering calls. Does it mean she's not seeing my calls? Why would she not answer? Now what is going on? She doesn't want to answer my call. Or she's not seeing it. I mean, it's not possible because I've been calling her line since last night, up until now. No answer, no returning of the calls. And her father the same thing, not talking to me.
That's your mom. Answer her, okay? She may be able to help you talk to your dad. She's a woman. I expect her to understand you more than your dad.
Understand what? You don't get it, do you? My mom is not an easygoing person. If she finds out about this, she would roast me alive. She will kill me. What do I tell her?
I'm just trying to figure out something. I don't know. Oh my God, this is too much.
I'm so ashamed of myself.
Babe, just speak and just tell her something.
I can't tell her. What do you want me to tell her? What do I tell her?
Honey, you're still here. You're not going to work today. Are you seriously going to be ignoring me again today? What's the matter? This whole thing is getting out of hands. What's the problem? You've been like this. Is this what you want to be doing? What's the matter? I gave you food yesterday. You did not touch your food. Why? As far as I'm concerned, I have not done anything wrong to you. I have not offended you. So why are you ignoring me? Why?
Look, Comfort, you've not done anything wrong. But there comes a time in a man's life where he needs some privacy.
Come on, honey. What privacy are you talking about? I am your wife. If you're facing any problem, I believe this person here is the right person for you to talk to. Me, your wife. Tell me what the problem is. I will gladly share it with you. Take a look at your breakfast. I gave you. You didn't touch. You ignored the food. As a matter of fact, you've been ignoring everything since yesterday you came back from the summit. You're ignoring me. Now you don't want to go to the office. Now, sweetheart, talk to me. Is it work related?
Look, Comfort, I don't have your time this morning. Okay? A man should have some space to do what he wants to do, okay? I have a right to keep quiet.
Are you for real? Now what is all this? Why is he always walking out on me? Have I done anything wrong unknowingly? God, what is wrong with my husband?
Zara, look at the food I cooked for you. Baby girl, please sit up. Okay? You need to eat something, please. Zara, sit up. Zara, I'm talking to you. Zara. Zara, you're not doing yourself any good by starving yourself. Just eat something, even though it's a little. Zara. Zara, I'm talking to you. Zara, you're not doing yourself any good. Answer your call, babe. Your phone is ringing. It's your mom. She's calling again. Babe, answer her now. Sarah, you need to talk to this woman before you trigger her BP with your actions and inactions. Whatever has happened, has happened. There is nothing you can do about it. And if there is anything you need to do, it's for a way out of this whole mess. You need to get up. You need to get up and embrace the situation. Lying down here and all this moody will not help matters. Please, just talk to your mom. So that you don't trigger this woman's BP now, please.
Why is Sarah not answering her calls? Now, what is even wrong with these two? What? What have I done wrong? Why are they sidelining me like this? Why? My own husband doesn't even eat my food anymore. He doesn't talk to me. He ignores me. Acts like I have done something terrible to him. On the other hand, Zara, my daughter, is also acting the same way her father is acting towards me. What have I done wrong to them? Yes, baby. Sweetheart. I came to tell you that breakfast will be served in the next 5 minutes.
Okay.
Now, what is all this? What's going on in this house, Self? Wilson has done this again. Left this place without touching this food. I keep cooking and he's rejecting my food. What is it, Self? This whole thing is beginning to annoy me. He will not talk to me. I will prepare food, serve him, he will leave it. No, I think I've had enough. I will wait for him, he will return to this house because I've had enough of his excesses. He will tell me what I've done wrong. I'm not removing this food. When he comes, he will meet this food on the table. He will explain to me why he's rejecting my food. Wilson, hold on. Do you mind telling me the meaning of what we are facing in this house this past few days? I'm asking you, what wrong have I done that you're treating me like a trash? You and your daughter chose to gang up against me. Now, what have I done wrong? You know the reason I'm saying this, Wilson? Chizaram is at school. If I call her, she will not answer. You're here, frustrating my life. I speak to you, you don't reply. I give you food, you don't take it. Why I'm saying this is this. I've had enough of your excesses. If you don't tell me what the problem is, I assure you, this house will be uncomfortable for us.
This has nothing to do with you.
Oh, really? It has nothing to do with me. Why then are you not talking to me? Why are you not eating my food? Why are you ignoring me? That's a question. Don't you think I have every right to know what the problem is? I am your wife.
The only problem is that I want Chizaram back to this house. She has to go to school from here.
And what has that got to do with what we are saying? Hold on. Wait a minute. Is Chizaram not taking your own calls as well? I don't understand. Is that true?
Well, not that. It just that...
All right then. I think I get it now. Don't worry. I'll call Chizaram. I'm assuring you she will return to this house. Okay? If that will make you happier. But you have to promise me that you will go eat your food.
Well, as long as I have your backing on this, I will eat whatever you serve.
Then relax, sweetheart. Don't worry. I will talk to her. In fact, I'm going to call her right away. I mean, I can't believe that Chizaram doesn't take your calls, despite the bond you two share. Ooh. I will make sure she returns to this house and she will go to school from this house.
Good. Very good.
It's all right, sweetheart.
You happy now?
You promise to go eat your food.
Oh.
Honey, just relax your mind. There are so many ways to kill a rat. Don't worry. You see Chizam?
She's still not taking your calls, right?
I'm telling you. But don't worry. I'll leave a voice note. Chizaram. Chizaram Ekbere. How many times did I call you? I know you're seeing my calls and you are busy ignoring them. Reasons best known to you. Now you listen to me. If you don't come back to this house first thing tomorrow morning, consider me dead. And if I die, Chizaram, let me not see you anywhere close to my funeral ground. Else, I will haunt you till eternity. I'm not kidding. Let me see if she will not rush back here tomorrow morning.
Zara.
I know you're seeing my calls and you are busy ignoring them. Reasons best known to you. Now you listen to me. If you don't come back to this house first thing tomorrow morning, consider me dead. And if I die, Chizaram, let me not see you anywhere close to my funeral ground. Else, I will haunt you.
So what will you do now? Honestly, I don't know. Like, I am so confused. I don't know. If you ask me, I would say you should go home and see them. But it might be a ploy for me to come back home.
Your dad wants you back. He knows where to find you. You need to go see them, okay?
Go home and do what? Even with the truth glaring to my face? I mean, what eyes will I use to behold my father? Milky, I did the unthinkable. I did the unimaginable. I didn't put my family into consideration before dabbling into such an unspeakable act. Zara, stop blaming yourself for what happened. You don't understand, do you? I was brought as a Ron's girl to sleep with my father. No. I mean, tell me, I am so ashamed of myself. I am so ashamed of myself. I can't believe all this is happening to me.
This is too much. How do we go about this?
Of all people in this world.
Oh, okay. But have you located her? Try and locate her and make sure you bring her to the house, even if it requires force. Huh? Yes, I will soon be home. Let me get to the office. All right? Oh, very good.
Babes, your phone is ringing. Pick.
Hello, Dad. What driver are you talking about? Hello, Dad? What is all this now?
What's going on, babe? What did he say?
He said the driver is coming to pick me up.
What?
Why did I do this? Why did I do this in the first place? I mean, hookup is not an honorable thing to do. I totally regret my actions. I feel so ashamed of myself.
It's okay. Okay? Just go with him and know why they sent for you. Everything will be fine, just...
Well, you must be Chisara, right?
Come take this box and go put it in the trunk of the car. And stop standing there like a moron asking stupid questions.
Is that all?
I believe my father told you we have just 5 minutes to be on our way home.
Yeah, he did. And he also instructed that you lock the apartments and give me the keys.
You can't do that. My things are still inside the house. Where do you expect me to stay? Zara and I are roommates.
Well, I don't know. Or do you want me to call him so you can find out?
This is not fair. Why must he do something like this to me? Zara, you're not saying anything.
I am going to lock the door and give him my own keys. You have your keys, so stop sounding sentimental. After all, my dad paid for that apartment for me to stay alone. He doesn't even know you exist, let alone staying with me. Come in, let me lock my door.
That's why I expected you to apply. Rather than standing here and asking baseless questions.
Yeah, I broke your heart. I know I've made many mistakes. Please don't push me away. Take me back. I realize that I've been influenced by the ones too loud. Now I'm breaking away. Now I feel like a slave in my own home. To err is human, to forgive is divine.
Mom! Come here. Mom, I missed you.
Go away, John. Do you want to kill me? Do you want me to have high blood pressure?
God forbid.
Let's come over your neck.
Mom, I am sorry. You know the pressure of the final year exam was too much on me. But I hope you're doing okay. Mom, your message got me worried. He scared life out of me.
That's the only way to bring you home. Are you not here now?
Mom, you shouldn't have done that.
Come. I've missed you.
Missed you too. What about Dad? Is he
No,
home?
I'm still at the office.
Oh, did he call me from the office?
I think so.
It's
What
alright.
have you been doing? You've macheted. You've not been eating well in school.
Mom is stressed, school stress, and you know the exams.
Relax, I made your favorite.
You
Come.
did?
Of course.
Let's
go.
Thank you, Mom.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
I can't believe that. This girl, you're crazy.
Mommy.
Honey, you're welcome.
Dad, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you? You've been good.
Thank you, honey. She's greeting you.
Oh, she did?
Zara, what's going on between you and your father?
I don't know, Mom. He's your husband. You should probably ask him.
What do you mean you don't know? I have a reason for asking you this.
Why? Why are you asking?
Your father was the one who insisted that I should bring you back home. So I expected him to be happy now that you're back home.
Look at that.
Chizaram, tell me something. What transpired between you and your dad?
Mom, did he tell you something transpired?
Are you asking me questions? Alright, not to worry. I'll find that from him.
Yes. Yeah, everything is fine. School is great. And
Who are you talking to on the phone?
Dad?
I said, who are you talking to on the phone? Give me that phone. Give me the phone.
Dad, what's going on?
What's the matter? Why are you invading her privacy?
Keep back on this phone.
What?
I want to know who you are talking to on the phone.
She's my friend. She was just calling to know how my journey went.
Honey, calm down
now. Miracle, please, let me call you back.
Chizaram, what's the matter? What did you do to your father that made him so angry?
Is he not your husband?
What do you mean by that?
You should go and ask him.
Chizaram. Honey, I have come to ask you some questions. Please don't be angry. I just don't understand what is going on between you and our daughter. That's the reason I came to ask you, please. What's going on?
Nothing is going on. Nothing is going on.
Nothing is going on. Of course, I knew it. I knew that was what you were going to say. Nothing is going on. Everything is fine. All is well. Whereas everything is going wrong in this family. That father and daughter relationship is no longer there. It's dead. Of course, I can feel it in my spirit. Unless maybe my husband don't want to tell me anything about it. Please. Please talk to me.
There is really nothing to talk about. Have I done anything in the past to hurt the interest of this family?
No, you haven't.
So just let us allow it to lie.
It's all right. I will. Just that I'm concerned, about the hostility between both of you. Honestly speaking, it's getting me worried.
I am trying to, smoothen things out. As for Zara, let her be. Okay?
It's okay. Do you want anything to drink?
No.
Juice, water?
No, not immediately.
It's all right. I'll be inside.
Yeah. We don't talk anymore.
Edith, So, from today onwards, my daughter Chizaram has no right to be outside of this compound anything after 6 p.m.
Okay, sir.
What that means is that anytime it is after 6 p.m., you don't have to open the gate for her.
Yes, sir.
If I catch you doing that, I will get you arrested. Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now, go back to your duty post.
Sir.
They ask you to open gate now, you can't open it. You understand this?
Daddy, I'm sorry for.
But why are people full of bad luck? It's not these same runs that we are into. We've never met anyone we know. Talk more of our relative.
Seriously. I don't know. This is one of the things that breaks a home. Because there is nothing she will say to her father that will make her father not to believe that she's not into prostitution.
Hey, please, choose your words correctly. It's called home service delivery, not prostitution.
Whatever you choose to call it. Harlot, hookup, escort, whatever you choose to call it. I don't care. The cocoa here is that our baby's done for life. I caused it. I blame myself for it. I caused all of this.
You don't have to be hard on yourself. Moreover, you didn't know that this man is her father. And why should she be done for? It was actually the man that wanted to cheat on his wife. Who is her mother? Left for me, I suggest she tells her mother about this whole thing.
Mida, are you mad? Like, is something wrong with you? What are you trying to insinuate? Like, did you hear yourself? Do you know that that man has been the one behind a luxurious lifestyle? And all you could come up with is telling her mother. Please come up with something else. What do you mean?
Well, I honestly don't know what else to say. Me, I have to hustle this night. I don't have anyone to sponsor me.
I beg, if you don't have anything to say, just keep quiet.
If I know so, nobody will pay for my wig and handbag. I need to go and hustle.
I beg, you don't do.
I beg, babe.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Josh. Josh, I hope you understand what your job is here. Your job is to drive her to school. And her school is about 15 minutes drive from here.
Yes, sir.
Very good. You just drive her to school, stay in the school premises until after the day's lectures. And you now drive her back to this compound straight ahead.
No problem, sir.
Right. If she asks you to stop anywhere for anything, buy something, don't listen to her. Just bring her back here. Right?
Yes, sir. I understand, sir.
Very good. And if you like, try any of your antics again, or ask him to drive you to any of these lousy boys' homes. I will find out, and if I find out, you won't believe what I will do to you. You can go now.
Thank you, sir.
I broke your heart. I know I've made many mistakes. Please don't push me away. Take me back. I realized that I've been influenced by once around. Now I'm breaking away. Now I feel like a slave in my own home. To err is human, to forgive is divine.
This one, she's in school today. I think they've solved their issues.
I pray so. Ha! She came with the driver today.
Help me to find a way. Help me to find my way.
Hey, babes.
What's up?
Hello, girl.
How are you?
Welcome.
Thank you.
How did it go? I mean, your dad?
I seriously don't know. My dad is still not talking to me. Instead, he got me a driver who brings me to school and takes me back. He's trying to checkmate my life. You can imagine.
Do you know you can be sued for what you did?
Well, the thing is, I do not understand what you're getting at here, Mr. Wilson. You should know that I'm not the first person to have a product that looks similar to yours. And moreover, the market is wide enough to accommodate all of us. And as for the threats of being sued, please just go right ahead. Go right ahead.
Well, I want you to know that I am a man of few words. But let me remind you that you are treading on a very slippery ground.
I'll take that as a threat, Mr. Wilson. Well, I actually thought you called me here for something reasonable, for something important. I didn't know it was all this. I've taken note of your threats. You do that again, you'll be hearing from my lawyers.
We shall see. We shall see.
Zara, if I'm asked to say, I would suggest you ditch that guy. You are too young and beautiful to be caged like this. Haba.
And you think that is the best thing to do?
Yes. She should tell her father she's an adult. She's old enough to live her life the way she deemed fit. Not have one man follow her about like a child.
Mide, you are saying all of this because you haven't met Zara's dad. That man is something else, I swear to God. I think you need to meet him, so you know what I'm talking about.
Well, Mide, please stop saying stuff like this. Huh? I don't want any other troubles apart from the one I'm facing right now. As I'm talking to you, my account is already frozen.
What?
My monthly allowance is sliced and my privacy is taken away from me.
What?
Yes. So I am trying to figure out a way to solve this one rather than adding fuel to the existing fire brewing around me. So please, just let me figure a way out of this.
So sorry about it. Some parents are not easygoing. They are detectors. Just take it easy, okay?
Alright. So where are you guys off to?
We're going to the lab.
Let's go.
Okay. Baby girl.
I'm so sorry.
Excuse me.
Yeah, what's it said?
In case my dad asks you why we are coming back late, you already know what to tell him. I mean, you're not a baby.
Well, I will tell him the truth. Because that's what I am allowed to do.
That's your business and not mine.
Imagine the small boy of yesterday. The little boy I single-handedly brought up. Evans had to look me in the face and tell me he's waiting for me. Simply because he started making some little change.
It's really well. But honey, don't you think you're going about it the wrong way?
Is that all you have to say? I am telling you that that boy is about to run me out of business. And this is not what you said.
Please don't misunderstand me, sweetheart. You know, I'm just...
Good evening, Mom.
Hi.
Good evening, Dad.
Sweetheart, you're welcome.
Thank you.
How was school today?
School was fine.
Where are you coming from by this time of the day?
Dad, I'm coming back from school. We had lectures by 2:25 p.m. Afterwards, I started heading back home. Till there was heavy traffic at Agba Junction.
You know, she doesn't have any reason to lie to us. I believe her. Just calm down, sweetheart. I'm sure you must have had, you know, a hectic day, so go freshen up.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome. Honey, please don't misunderstand me. As for the boy, you know, I don't even know what to say, honestly. So, the whole thing is, it's funny.
Oh, sir, you sent for me, sir.
Yes. It is past 5 p.m., I'm sure. Aside from school, where else did you take my daughter to? If you like, you can lie to me, but remember, I will find out. And if I do, she would like it.
Sir, we actually came back from school directly. There was a heavy traffic at Abbas Junction. And it lasted for almost an hour.
Did you notice anything indecent, anything immoral about my daughter today at school?
No, sir. She was mostly in the company of her female friends.
Okay. Okay, you may go.
Thank you, sir.
I have to keep an eye on this girl. I have to keep an eye on her.
You see, now something where I want to ask you. May not be like, say, are they intruding into people's family? You know, I actually have to know the kind of people that I'm working for, just in case.
Okay. No, wala. I understand that's in a question where you want to ask me. Ask me anything.
Yes, then. So, May, what's the relationship between Oga and his daughter, Zara? I mean, why is Oga monitoring every aspect of her movement? Why?
You know, see, as my man where you be, now I go take care of you. You know, see, Madam Zara, and the only picking where Oga get for this whole life and this whole house. So, if they train and wear, make the girl no go misbehave, make she get good character. You understand? Okay. So now make her. They always.
Well, I don't get it. I mean, why the close monitoring? I mean, why isn't so much into her? I mean, I don't know. If you ask me, I will tell you that girl don't age now. I mean, Oga, stop all this thing.
See, man, tell you, even if you say that girl don't age, you know, say Oga no one make you follow bad friends. They go, you know, all these kind of school, something, friendship for school, all those things. Bad egg, now they call up the good egg.
I bet you're not going to understand. I get a big girl, though. You don't go understand. Now, me they carry on around now. Maybe I go my side.
Can I come in?
Yes, of course, you can come in.
What are you reading?
Just my class textbook, Mom. Mom, I am sorry I've not been able to stay with you since I came back to the house.
I'm glad. I'm glad you're back at least to stay with me. You know you're my gossip partner. Are you okay?
Yes, Mom. I'm fine. I'm okay, Mom.
No, you're not. Believe me, you're not. You're not, especially with the way your father is treating you lately. I don't know what's going on. I mean, I can feel the enmity between both of you. What's the matter?
Mom, look, Mom, it's really nothing.
No, don't tell me it's nothing, sweetheart. It is something.
It's not. Dad and I are very okay. We're cool. Mom, there is no problem. Everything is fine.
You think your mom is deaf or naive for me not to realize when something is going on wrong, or rather when something is not going on well in my family? I don't know what the problem is, but I feel the hatred between both of you. Your father is acting more like a detective now, you know, instead of a good father he has always been.
Well, Mom, for me, that is just being a father. I mean, and I see nothing wrong in him performing his fatherly role. He's just being a father, Mom. Yes.
Okay, if you think so, then no need for me to worry.
Of course, Mommy. You have nothing to worry about. Okay? Dad and I, we're very good. We're cool. Okay? Alright. I have to get back to work. So I'm just trying to finish this up.
I trust you.
Thank you, Mom. Should I open up to her?
I am lost. Help me to find my way. Help me to find my way.
Zara, why?
Why what?
You should have told your mom. You don't know where your help might come from. See, she might understand you perfectly, you know.
Mayday, you don't understand, do you? You don't understand the family that I come from. My dad will not kill you. But you see my mom? She will slap the living daylight out of me once she finds out that I went to sleep with a man for money. She will practically kill me.
I still insist. She might be different from your dad. She might not even be as harsh as you think.
I'm not telling her. What happened that night shouldn't have happened. If I hadn't listened to you girls. Now look at it. Now I've become a slave in a home that I was once celebrated.
Zara, what happened was a mistake that was not supposed to happen. But you must not die for it. Okay? Listen, you don't need to dwell in your past. You need to move on with your life. You need to let go of things.
How? You think it's that easy? No, tell me, how can I let go when my father constantly reminds me of that night by his actions towards me? How do I let go?
Zara, I know it's not easy. But you need to apply wisdom. You need to apply wisdom in handling this matter. You need to apply wisdom.
You know, due to the mistake on my part, my dad always reminds me with his actions. I just have to endure his excesses, hoping that one day he will truly forgive me.
Well, telling your mom might actually give you the freedom you're looking for in that house. But my opinion though, you must not take it.
Gosh. I've told you, you need to apply wisdom in handling others.
Oh, wait. Where are you going to dress like this?
Dad, I'm not even leaving the compound. I just want to go meet Edet to get me something across the street.
You are going to meet Edet dressed half naked. Eh? What are you trying to showcase?
Honey, she just said she's not leaving the compound.
No. And so what, I ask? Is Edet not a man? Edet is not a pastor or a pope to withstand seduction. Look, every atom of whoring is prohibited in this house. Did you hear that? Now, go inside and change to something decent if you want to go and meet Edith.
Dad, I don't understand you. Like you want me to...
Don't you understand what I'm saying? Are we not clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Honey, why? Why the bickering and tantrums on her? Why?
Yeah, this is not how it used to be. The joy in the family is broken. Can't we talk about these things? We can heal.
Honey, I want us to talk, please.
You say?
I said I want us to talk.
Okay.
Honestly speaking, I didn't like the way you spoke to our daughter this afternoon.
How did I talk to her that you didn't like?
I didn't like it, believe me. Especially the part you said you can condone whoring. What's that? That was too much. It was too vulgar. You and I know too well that we raised our daughter well. She has always done everything expected of her and even more. So why?
And what again?
And I feel we should at least respect her personality. As a parent, she deserves it. She's a good child. Please.
Well, Comfort, I don't think I am ready for this kind of talk tonight, okay? If you don't mind, just allow me to catch some sleep now.
Sugar. Just hold on. What is going on? You know you haven't told me what's going on between you and Chizara. What's the matter?
Comfort, do I need to remind you that I am the man here and I call the shots? Good night.
Move on from the past. Let it go, let it go. 'Cause that is the only way we can heal. Let it go, let it go. So let's move on from the past. Oh, let it go. 'Cause that is the only way we can heal.
It's
Hello.
Good afternoon.
You must be Edith, the gate man.
Yes. How you come know my name and who are you people?
Zara said great things about you.
Okay, my small madam.
Yes. We're here to see her. Can you call her for us?
When I go wait here, I go tell them for inside before when I go enter.
Or instead take us in now.
No, that is our rule here. As the chief security officer of this place, you people will have to wait here.
It's okay, just go in and tell her we are here.
Just chill.
Did he just say chill?
Just forget about him.
He must be funny.
Small madam. You get some people, 2 girls where they gate. They say make I open gate where they enter, say they won't see you.
Oh, yes. Go and open the gate for them. They are my friends.
Make me I go open gate.
My friend, go and open the gate.
Okay, sorry.
What is wrong with
Good afternoon, sir.
What are you doing here?
I come tell small madam say you get people where they look for them, 2 of our friends.
Go and bring them in.
Okay, sir.
Be fast about it.
Yes, sir.
We should have asked if the father is around.
Me, I would have loved to meet her father.
You would have loved to meet who?
Her father now.
Ashawo de eye.
Before uncle.
Okay, let's go. If you come.
Good afternoon, sir.
Uh-huh.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Thank you, sir.
So what are your names?
My name is Miracle Okorie.
My name is Ayomide Benjamin, sir.
Okay. So how long have you known my daughter?
Dad?
Shh. Shh. Don't utter a word. Did you hear that? Good.
We met her during her clearance into the university, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to tell both of you something. You see, my daughter here, she was a very good girl until she got admission into that your university. And I am sure that both of you are instrumental in ruining her life and the future I had for her.
Dad!
Stop talking to me. What's wrong with you? Listen. Listen to me. I want you to stay away from my daughter. Did you hear that? Stay away from her.
What is wrong with you? Stop it.
Listen, if you utter one more word here, I am going to get you grounded. You want to try me?
Dad.
No, do you want to try me?
Dad, that's enough. I've had enough of this. Chia, my friends, why are you talking to them like that?
Just keep quiet. Now, are you still here? Won't you go? Now, out. Go.
Dad, why are you doing this? Why?
You want me? You want me to slap you? Now, will you go inside? Nonsense. You think I'm joking with you?
Jesus Christ. I've never felt such an aura in my entire life before. Standing before a mighty monster.
Now you know better. I told you. Zara dad has this aura around him. In Igbo land they call it a bubago. The glory of a lion. Such people are very intimidating.
I wonder how she copes with him. Such people are always bossy and authoritative. I can't deal.
I'm telling you. Next time, you will not entice Zara into rebelling against her dad.
See me, I will never, ever come back to this house again. Keep laughing.
This one loud.
I'm leaving you.
It's not me, it's you. What? You're the one that abandoned me, oh. I should be the one asking you that, not yes. Why did you...
Go.
Dad?
Hey,
Dad, what are you...
listen to me. Keep quiet. I want you to keep away from my daughter. Did you hear me? Keep away from her.
Dad, what's the meaning of what you did? Do you even know who she's talking with?
Don't care. I don't care who he is. My daughter must live a chaste life. That's what I want.
Dad, you are really pushing me to my limit. What is the meaning of this? You need to stop pushing me to the wall, else it won't end well for both of us. And you know it.
What?
Now, what was the meaning of what she said?
I don't know. You go and ask her.
What do you mean you don't know? She told you that.
But she said it. Now go and ask her. Why are you asking me? Go and ask her.
Zara. She's Zara. She's Zara.
Yeah. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Holding down the secrets.
Is that not Zara Wilson? Zara! Zara! Hey.
Evans?
Yes, it's me. What happened? I mean, I tried to reach you on phone countless times, all to no avail. Searched for you throughout the campus, still the same story. It was like you were wiped off the surface of the campus.
I can't
can't believe this is you. After all these years. Evans, you dished me after you took my virginity. I mean, you got what you wanted after all. I gave you my love, my heart, my whole being. But what did you do? You left me.
I'm sorry, okay? Far be it that I would do that to you. Alright? I am so sorry. See, you know I love you, Zara. As a matter of fact, since we lost contact, I have not been with another babe. I tell you, I have not.
And why did you stop contacting me after you finished your NYC?
You know, after my service, I was retained by the firm I worked with, and for some months I tried seeing if I could find my feet before I could come looking for you. That was why. You know, after completing my 6 months course on cybercrime, got back into the country, called you countless times, and my phone was switched off.
It's been 2 years. It's been 2 years already. And you expect me to believe that you're still single and you've never been with another woman?
Yes. As unbelievable as that might sound, it's true. You know, I have this belief that as long as we are alive, I will find you someday.
Madam Zara, it's time.
Sorry, is that your new man?
What? That's my driver.
Okay. Okay, so can I at least have your contact so I can call you, please?
Sure.
Alright, I'll call you tonight by 9.
It's fine.
Alright. Good to see you.
Good to see you too.
Do you love him? You know, I have never seen you this emotional before. Well, I'm sorry for intruding into your personal affairs. But if it is what I think it is, which of course I know you think, or you wish it is, then I will help you. Yeah, I will help you.
Hey, beauty. You look all excited. You haven't told me how your day went.
My day? Well, my day went well.
Okay.
And there is nothing to tell, Mom.
You know, that's not true. You are lying. Of course, that's the reason I'm here. To guide you out of your self-imposed darkness and misery.
Mom, I'm telling you, there is absolutely nothing to tell.
Who is calling by this time?
Is it 9 p.m. already?
9 on the dot.
Mom, I have to take this call. Hello, Evans. Yeah, just in time. It reminds me so much of the past. Actually, I'm about to go to bed.
Yeah, but I hate to keep a damsel waiting. Yeah. But I'm only but saying the truth. You know, I believe it would be very bad for me to go to bed without hearing your voice. I might have nightmares. Oh, if you say so. Babe, I was wondering, can I take you out for dinner tomorrow? At least we'll have all the time in the world to talk about life and everything in general. What do you think? Alright, tomorrow it is then. Have a good night rest, babe.
Alright, good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye. What, Mom?
Spill it already and stop looking at me in such manner.
Spill what?
I know that look. Each time you look at me in such manner, you are hiding something.
Oh, Mom, come on.
Tell me, what was the call?
I have nothing to say, Mom.
Oh, no,
you should go. You should go to
your room. You are hiding something.
Mom, go to your room. The help you offered me yesterday, does it still stand? Because I really need it now.
Yeah, I'm gonna do it, but on one condition. You're going to tell me who this guy is. Zara, I need to know exactly who I'm exposing you to. You may not know right now, but Zara, I see you like my own sister.
He's my ex. My first love. Can't you do something about it? I mean, you can sort this out. I want you to serve in this state. My life would be incomplete without you.
I understand, okay? Same here too. Alright, the thing is, I have done everything possible to sort it, but it's not working. Okay, so as it is now, I have no choice other than to report to my PPA tomorrow morning.
Babe, stop saying this. I understand that this is important, but are you not listening to me? I am going to miss you. I will really miss you.
Come. I'm going to miss you too, okay? That's why I want to make sure that I'll be visiting you at least twice a month to check on you. Alright?
This lecture is going
so crazy.
Zara, it's been 13 months since Eva left you. And you have chosen not to move on with your life. You are here. You have trapped yourself in the web of lost love. Can you stop harming yourself?
I don't understand.
We understand you. We understand you perfectly well. We understand that he is your first love and the man that has flowered you. But there's nowhere it's written that you must get married to the man that has flowered you now, right?
We understand you're not the type that associates too much. But you need to understand that you need to move on with your life. You need to live your best life, Zara. And stop doing this to yourself.
I can't believe I lost Evans.
It's so glaring that you lost him. I am happy you lost him. At least you will get up your ass and move on with your life. Zara.
Just let her be. That's how she has always been. Always shutting her door of communication every time we want to help her build her self-esteem and confidence. What is all this?
Just forget about her. Just stop even talking about her. Someone that's even moved on with another girl. And she's here killing herself for nothing. Can you imagine?
Let's go.
I'm done with that girl. I don't even know what. Can you imagine the insults? Eh? Inviting big girls like us out. Only only for them to buy us bottle of wine to share. Can you imagine the insults?
Well, I believe by now they must have learnt their lessons.
Yeah. They must have learnt their lesson. Leaving them for that old rich man. Did you see their faces? When we switched table without wasting time.
Talking about switching tables, that man gave us 400k to share amongst ourselves and still bought us lots of goodies.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Hey! Oh my goodness. What?
Would have been dulling with those guys, those stingy people.
Abby?
Look who's back. Look at our booked one first class upper student.
I beg, if you become the first lady, don't forget me. Remember me for your paradise, so Zara.
Milky, where are you coming from? Huh? I can tell you've been drinking.
My sister, life now wants so. I cannot come and kill myself, you know? Because if you don't chop this life, life go chop you. You know, as we dey young like this now, we will never marry. Because they enjoy, they flenjo, they have fun. Because if you marry like this, bam, marriage don't get you. And you no go get that opportunity to showcase everything where you want to showcase. To live all the luxurious lifestyle. So now when you're single, they enjoy it.
Milky. Will you ever change? You always look for a way to justify your irresponsible act.
There she go again. What is irresponsible? There. No, tell me that I'm making married men and advanced men happy in return. Is that a problem there? See, these people appreciate me. They appreciate me. You that have been single. You that have been living a boring life ever since Evans left you. What have you achieved? No, tell me.
Don't ever mention that name again.
Oh, there she go again. What do you call it? Trade by barter? Huh? See, let me tell you something. I give them what they want. Why they give me what I want? You know? It's a trade by barter something. So,
well, I wish you all the best. But please let me remind you, I do not want to have anything to do with those men. Yes, because my father can provide me with everything that I want. So I don't need them.
That is girl. Do you think you need your father's money forever? Eh? Do you think you need his money to keep up with your needs? Let me tell you something. You don't need to depend on your father's money. You need to work on your own money. Like you need to work to make your own money. Stop depending on your father's money. It will not take you anywhere. If you like, maybe you chop a money from January to December. It no go belle for you. Don't just pass through school. Allow school to pass through you. You need to go out, you know? You need to come out with us one of these days so that you feel around. You see what is happening around the world. My girl, you're missing Ozara. You need to come now. Join us at least just one day. Make you see Igbedu, Igbedu, they enter body. Zara, baby.
I can see that you're really drunk.
Ah, baby, I'm not drunk.
Are you still going out today?
Shh, not me. Oh, yeah, hold on. Let me see if I can scam him. Hello, Rotimi. Please, can you call me back? I am not in the mood right now. It's a personal issue I'm trying to solve right now. My rent has expired. Yes. My landlord just left right now. He threatened to evict me out of the house if I don't pay the rent in a week's time. The truth is that I don't have the money to
pay the house rent right now. I don't have the money. My mother has been sick. I just finished treating her. And she just had surgery 4 days ago. Yes. I don't have the money to pay the rent. Please, Rotimi, can you help me pay the house rent? 400,000. But if I see 300k, I'll be the happiest person on earth. I'll give it to him. You will not disturb me again. Please help me pay the house rent, Rotimi. Please. Okay, just give me some time, okay? I'll definitely come. Okay, talk to you later. Bye.
Alright.
Milky, you are such a provocateur. Jesus Christ.
That is called smart. What did you call it again?
Provocateur, that's what you are.
Oh, whatever.
Oh,
Forget about that. Escort me to go see this man. I believe money will fall out.
It's alright.
I don't want to hear your excuses.
No, I'm not giving
You're coming
excuses.
with me this time.
I am coming, and
You're coming.
yes, I'm even
That's
bored. Babe, Milky, I am still shocked that a man would give you 300,000 just like that. Ha! You girls are really cashing out too.
You're still shocked.
Yes.
So let me tell you something. There is money on the streets, especially when you have a very strong pimp. Though I don't use it, I act as a low wolf, okay?
What's a pimp?
Don't tell me you don't know what's the meaning of pimp. Zara, you no go kill me. Zara, pimp are the people who arrange rich men, influential men of the society for us. Hey, this guy, you no go kill me for this room right there, I swear.
I thought you girls are the one who fetch these men yourselves.
No. Those men are honeybees who are looking for bitches to ease their stress.
And you girls help them.
Why are you asking a dumb question, Zara? What is your problem?
I just want to
Yes,
know.
we help them to meet their needs. Why they soil our hands with cool cash.
Okay, more like I scratch your back and then you scratch my
back. Yes, Zara. See, Zara, I want to tell you something. Listen to me. I know you're a daddy's girl, but you mustn't depend on your dad for everything. You must, let him know that you are no longer a baby, that you're capable of taking care of things,
But I'm my dad's responsibility.
Oh, there she goes again. Daddy's girl. Don't tell me you're still shocked. We don't have the privilege of daddy's girl lifestyle. What do you want us to do?
I don't want you to do anything.
Kill ourselves.
Milky. I was just curious and...
Curious. Everything I did. So you want to tell me that you don't even know what is pimp? This girl, hey, you're about too much, I swear to God. You have been calling this person for almost 10 minutes now. Is he that answering your call or his number going through? What's going on?
It's my dad.
Your dad?
Yes, he's supposed to send money to me today. But I can't reach him. And I don't have a dime on me.
You see why I said you should hustle for your own money. When a woman makes her own money, a man's own becomes an addition. Had it been you have your own money now, I promise you, you will not be looking the way you're looking right now. Just look at the way you're looking. Frustration is written all over you. Hustle your own money. You say no. Let me transfer 50k to you so that your face is right. What did I keep my phone?
Are you want to give me 50,000 naira?
Let me transfer 50k now. What will I do?
Milky, thank you. Thank you so much.
Do not thank me. It's not for free. You're paying me back. Yes, so. I don't have a rich dad that will look up for me, I beg.
All the same,
Thank
Call
you.
your account number. You're welcome and don't mention.
3, 2, 1.
I know you enjoy this.
Babes.
Yes, babe.
Like, I can't believe I made 250,000 naira in one night. Babes, this night was really worth it.
Yeah.
It was a fun-filled night.
Did I not tell you that there is too much money in the streets? I told you now.
You told me, oh.
You know what we women carry is untapped gold. I swear down.
You told me. I mean, you've been right all along.
You know what? I can't wait for evening to come so that we can go out again.
I told you now. So tell me, did you enjoy it?
Trust me, enjoy. Hey, I more than enjoyed it.
Are you serious?
That guy was just too good.
This guy kept giving it to me from the front, from the back, from the side. Hey, I practically didn't even want him to stop.
Really?
I really enjoyed it.
I know he practically took you to Cloud9.
He took me to Cloud9
and you enjoyed it.
Back.
Zara, baby.
See, I can't wait for us to do this again.
Right?
I can't wait.
I swear, this life is fucking sweet. There is nothing you can tell me about it. Oh.
No be lie.
There is nothing.
No be
lie.
lie.
You make it the colors they go outside. Every time you go, they refuse. Now you don't like and pass me.
Now, you don't need to call me. I'm there already. You don't need to call me.
Hi. Wow. I am amazed. You mean you set all this up for me?
Yes, and I will even do more. Trust me, I can't begin to quantify how much you mean to me.
This is really beautiful.
Yes. Come with me. Have a seat.
Thank you.
Yeah, I know it's beautiful. Just like you are. You know, I would make it more beautiful if time permits me. I want everything around to be as beautiful as you are.
Now you're going to make me blush.
I'm just saying the truth.
Well, you really tried, and I must say, thinking about, making all this up for me, it shows that you have a beautiful heart. Thank you.
Thank you so much too for coming. Yes, for accepting to be my woman. Let's drink. So, my love, let's make a toast. Cheers to good life. Cheers to good health. And last but not the least, cheers to a happy home.
Cheers.
It's quite strong.
Yeah. Only the best for the best, right? Babe, now that I found you, I I'm not letting you out of my sight again. I love you.
And I love you too, Evans, for coming back into my life, for everything, putting all this together. I'm really happy. Thank you.
Thank you too, for being my woman. Long may this continue.
Hi, Evans. So good to hear from you. Well, not yet.
Who is calling you by this time of the day? Who is calling you? Eh?
Evans, let me call you back.
You are talking to Evan by this time. Give me that phone. Give me that phone.
What is it, Dad? I have had enough of this rubbish. What is it? Why do you keep bullying me? Why? You keep pushing me to the wall. Why are you bullying me for something we both are guilty of? I refuse to say anything because of the love and respect I have for Mom. But I think it's high time I say the truth. It's high time Mom knows about this. Yes! I think...
That truth! Your mother mustn't hear about it.
I said I want to hear it. You better keep quiet. Now you speak. Hey! I knew it. I knew both of you were hiding something all this while. Now you speak. Let me hear that truth.
Who is that? Who is that? Come in, the door is open. Come in.
Thank you. Hello, Sugar.
Sister Abekbere.
Dad.
Sister Abekbere, what are you doing here? Why are you here?
Dad,
You better start talking.
it's not what you think. It's not what you think, Daddy.
How do you know what I'm thinking? So what is it? Tell me, what is it?
I don't know what I'm doing
I
here.
know you don't know what you are doing. So this is what you do. I sent you to school to go and study there. This is what you are doing. You left, oh my God. You chose prostitution over academics?
Daddy, no. Daddy, please.
How will your mother feel when she hears this?
Daddy, please, it's not what you think. I beg you, Daddy, please.
How do you know what I'm thinking? Look at you. Will you get up from there? Will you get up before I sound you?
Please, I beg you, don't tell Mommy about this. Don't tell Mommy, please.
Yes, because you want to kill the woman. You want to kill that poor woman who loves you unconditionally. And when you go and indulge in prostitution, this is what you do in school after providing you the best of life. Oh my God. Woman, give me a chance.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Yeah. Just get me the butter here now.
Oh, I'm sorry, okay? It's Dad. He caused everything. Jesus! Jesus! Mom, I'm sorry. I wanted to tell you all along. I wanted to tell you the truth. But I wanted our home to be together. I knew how broken you would be. That was why I didn't say it. But
now you shut up! Jesus!
You! I just gave birth to you. How old are you? How old are you, my child?
Now you started sleeping with men old enough to be your father. This time I sent you to school. No, why don't you kill me? Oh, kill me! God have mercy! You should be ashamed of yourself. You are indeed a cursed man. Hey! No! I can't take this. Jesus! Jesus! I can't take it. Oh God!
Honey, please. Please open the door. Let me come in and explain.
Please go away. Go away. I don't want to talk to you.
Please, I am sorry. I am sorry, you hear? I'm sorry, I love you. Please open the door for me.
Listen, I don't want to listen to anything. Please, stay away from me. You will sleep out there.
Please. Please open for me. I love you.
I said stay away from me. Shameless man. At your age. Fornicator.
Comfort, honey.
Mom?
Don't you ever. Now you listen. Never you try to mention my name again. Evil souls. Look at you, Wilson. You ignored me and made me suffer, all because of your promiscuity. I was busy thinking that I have wronged my husband, who knows, not knowing it's the other way around. What have you not done, Wilson? You literally shoved your wife out for your lewd lifestyle. That's the height of insensitivity.
I wronged you, but I have been, pleading for you to find a place in your heart to forgive me.
Really? Now do I look like Christ in your eyes? And as for you, shameless young lady, I don't have your time. Don't worry. Both of you will hear from me soon.
I know you must be very happy now, Auntie. You are very happy that the family is about to disintegrate.
Dad, don't even say that. You're trying to play the victim card here. You caused this. You made me a scapegoat in a sin we both committed. Do you ask yourself how long I'll be able to hold on to your excesses? Do you?
This is not how it used to be. The joy in the family is broken. Can't we talk about this?
Sorry. I was on call with my chef.
It's fine.
You look exhausted. Come here. I'm sorry all these things are happening because of me, okay? But I promise I'll make it up to you. Alright?
I'm just confused. My mother is looking depressed and it's really giving me cause to worry.
Do you want me to come see her and talk to her?
No, there's no need for that.
Babe, come on. See, there is every need for that, okay? I love you. And I'm going to show the whole world that I love you. And I'm going to start with your family. Alright?
My family? How do you mean?
Honey? You are eating and you didn't call me.
Call you for what now? I'm asking why. Are you hungry? If you're hungry, go to your harlots out there. Let them cook for you.
I've been pleading, I've been begging, I've been apologizing. Whatever happened was a mistake. Please try and understand and forgive me.
Like I said earlier, if you're hungry, go to your harlots, your side chicks. Let them cook for you. As for me, comfort Udara. I am done playing the role of a good wife. Not anymore.
You and I know that I have not eaten, proper meal for days now since you stopped cooking for me. What if I die out of hunger?
Don't be worried about that. There are plenty lands, empty lands where we can bury you. Give you a befitting burial. Just die. Let me just leave here for you. Honestly.
Look at the chicken you're eating.
Hope you're only chicken.
Welcome.
He proposed. He asked me to marry him today.
Wow, that's good. So tell me what was your response?
I said yes.
Oh, that's nice. That's so nice.
And I have waited for this day. I can't believe this is happening. I've waited for the day Evans would look me in the eyes and ask me to marry him. It felt so good. I mean, today's the happiest day of my life.
Well, I'm happy for you. At least this is going to help ease the tension in the house.
I hope so. Just that my dad's ego will not let that happen. I just hope he sees reasons and gives us his consent.
That Evan guy loves you so much. Irrespective of your past. I mean, he still chooses to be with you. That's so loving.
You're right. I thought I would lose him again after hearing my story. But I was wrong. Now I know what they say, that love doesn't ask why. I would never take his love for granted.
No. Such a love is something you don't find so easily. I finding a love like that, I just hope and pray that it ends well. I'm happy for you.
Yeah, I hope so too. Thank you, Josh.
You're welcome. Can we go now?
Of course.
Thank you.
Mom. Mommy, I wanted to tell you from the very beginning. But each time I remember how broken, how hurt you would feel, I would hold my peace. Oh, please. I am sorry. I am so sorry for causing you so much pain. I am sorry. My fiance will be coming next week to see you and Dad.
Oh, come on, will you get out of my sight? Shameless whore.
Please don't do this, don't.
Do what?
Oh, please don't call me that. Don't call me that. Mom, it grieves me. It grieves me each time I remember the dirty things my friend made me do in school. Oh, please, I regret it. I regret it, Mom.
You should be ashamed of yourself. I didn't know that you and your father are the shameless. Gosh! was busy praising you, calling you the best child on earth, not knowing that my own child was busy gallivanting, looking for men old enough to be your father. Shame on you.
I regret it. I regret it, Mom. I regret my actions. I regret all the stupid things my friends made me do in school.
Who taught you that? Who taught you? Who taught you at your age to sleep with men? Dick, Harry and Tom! You were busy gallivanting looking for Dick to make love to you at your tender age. How old do you think you are? I'm the one that gave birth to you. Kai! I am so ashamed of you! I feel like... God have mercy. Will you get out of my sight? Get out! Don't allow me to push you down. Shame on you. Now why don't you come and open your legs since you've started? Gracious God. No!
Honey, I'm sorry. And I prepared your favorite dish.
You what? Please. I am not hungry. I just ate out. Excuse me, please.
What are the food? Honey, wake up. Honey.
What is it?
Just give me audience. 10 minutes, you can go back to sleep.
What's the matter?
Please, give me audience.
I have told you that I don't want to listen to anything you have to say.
Listen, this family is drifting apart and I don't want it to.
Oh, really? The family is drifting apart. Courtesy of who? Huh? You don't want to talk anymore? When you were busy digging every hole, you didn't think of this family. You never thought of it, right? Now you listen to me. Don't you ever wake me up again. I want to go back to sleep and enjoy my sleep. If you try it again, I'm going to leave this room for you. I'm just telling you now.
Okay, it's all right. You can go ahead and sleep. Tomorrow we'll talk.
I think the best thing is for me to leave the room for you.
This is not how it used to be.
Just stay away.
The joy in the family is broken. Can't we talk about these things? We can heal together. So let it go, let it go. So let's move on from the past. Let it go.
Hello. This is Comfort speaking.
'Cause that is the only way we can heal.
No, I'm not in the office. Who am I speaking with?
So let's move on.
Oh, the filling station? Oh, my goodness. Please pardon my manners, doctor. I didn't save your number that day. So how are you? Well, I'm not in the office, but believe me, tell me where you are and I will meet you up. 6 p.m. I'll be there. Take care.
You didn't tell the man that you are with your husband. Going out like this. Don't tell me you are going out like this.
Seriously.
Eh?
Mom, but where are you going dressed like that?
Excuse you? Are you for real? The mother hen? Hold on. Let me ask you, Wilson. Since when did you start meddling in my affairs? I'm asking you again, how is it your business where I go or how I dress? It's none of your business, so keep quiet.
But you are going out...
Hold on, do you think I'm cheating on you? You think I'm you?
Well, I don't know what to think, but the way you are dressed, going out by this time of the night, and I had you to tell a man on the phone that you are coming by 6 o'clock. I mean, like this?
You are wasting my time, please. I have an appointment to catch up with. Any other thing?
Mom, please. Mom, please. Even if you want to go out, at least go change into something more befitting as a married woman.
Really?
Mom! Dad? Are you just going to stand there and do nothing and let Mom go out like that?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Holding down the secrets. Where is the peace? The peace is gone. Yeah. This is not how it used to be. The joy in the family is broken. Can't we talk about these things? We can heal together. So let it go, let it go. So let's move on from the past. Let it go.
Comfort. What is it by your time?
It should be 9 something, let's say 9:48 p.m., something like that.
That is 12 minutes to 10.
Exactly.
That is when you are coming back to your matrimonial home. Comfort, do you remember that you are still a married woman and you have duties to perform to your husband?
Oh, so sorry, sugar. But I have to earn a living, which is why I'm working so much hard to earn a living.
What are you talking about? What living are you earning? Am I not providing for all your needs in this house? Huh? I think it is time you stopped that work and build this family.
I beg your pardon. Build which family? I'm asking you, Williams. Build which family? Don't get me angry. The very one you have destroyed. By your infidelity should I count them. The very one you destroyed by your recklessness. The very one you destroyed because you literally cannot zip up. Do you want me to build it up? I'm sorry, sugar. You have to build it yourself. Excuse you.
That's why I cannot wait to do forever with you.
Same here, my love. I swear I can't wait. Every day of our lives will be fun filled, I tell you.
Right, tell me about
So what is going on here?
Oh, Dad, this is Evans. The guy I told you and Mom about.
Can you explain to me what is going on in my house? Oh, you think you can bring any ragamuffin, any thief, miscreant into my compound just to pretend, to feign as your suitor, so as to have opportunity for you to flirt as you have always wanted?
Dad, what are you talking about? Evans and I have been together before he traveled abroad. Now that he's back, we are here to officially ask you to get married.
Never! I forbid you from vomiting such nonsense. You will never marry this ungrateful boy.
Dad, what are you talking about? Huh? What's going on?
This boy? This is the boy I heard the company that sent him overseas to study cybercrime. But what did I get in return? What? This fool here came back, instead of practicing law, he went to build my own kind of product. And when I confronted him, he had the temerity, the audacity to tell me to do my worst.
Evans, did you do something like that?
Yes. I didn't know he's your dad.
You don't have to know the person to do the right thing, my dear. You don't have to know the person to do the right thing. Now, I want you out of my compound.
Dad, please.
He has to leave.
Please, Dad.
Are you still here?
Dad, please. I mean, you do not have to go that extreme.
You are still here.
Please. Evans. Dad, why will you treat him like that? Dad, why are you doing this? Why? Dad, this is the man that I love. The man that I want to spend the rest of my life with. Why can't you let me?
You are loving this ungrateful boy? Oh, my dear, you are loving the wrong person. And I won't allow you over my dead body. I will not.
I'm not surprised. Because it's always about you. You, all the time.
Well, you can cry for all I care. I won't let you make mistakes. Look at, can you imagine? You sold my wine.
So what happened? I thought this was supposed to be a happy meeting. I mean, why the humiliation and the embarrassment? That was out of line. But I still don't get it. I thought whatever African child parents want for their child is for them to get married to a very worthy man. So why did your supposed father-in-law reject you? Or is there something that you're not telling me?
It's a long story, Josh.
A story that you cannot share?
Trust me, I'm not in the right frame of mind to discuss that right now.
Come on, don't tell me you're giving up on her already.
No,
Are you giving up?
Never. You see, that man's resistance back there won't stop me from marrying Zara, okay? We've come a long way. And besides, she's pregnant for me.
Pregnant? Are you for real?
Yes, for real. Now you see why I can't give up, right?
You're a bad guy. A real bad guy. A strategic one at that. Look at you.
It is what it is.
Consider her your wife. Because the last time I checked, no African parents will want their girl child to be a single mother sitting at home.
That's much.
Congratulations, man.
Thanks, man. Thank you.
Soon to be your father.
Of course you heard me. I am filing for a divorce.
Divorce? Why?
What do you mean by why? I am tired of this brouhaha. Of course I am.
You mean you want to end the marriage of 26 years? Just like that?
Maybe you don't get it. I said I am done. I want out. I want to move on with my life. And I would like you to also move on with your own life.
You want to end 26 years of marriage just like that? Is my sin so grievous, so unpardonable that you cannot let go?
You keep mentioning 26 years. The number of years in this marriage is not a determinant factor. The truth of the matter is, I am done. And I'm not going to repeat it again. I want a divorce. And that's on period.
You and I need to talk. Things have gone sour in this marriage. I know I contributed more to it, but that is not the reason why, we should end our marriage of how many years? What of the beautiful memories we built over the years?
Memories? If those memories meant anything to you, you wouldn't have done what you did. At least, you would have respected me just like the way I have done to you all these years. I can't disrespect you. I can never cheat on you. But here you are, showing me that men are promiscuous in nature, right? You forgot that I'm also a human.
I know. I accept all the things you just said here now. You understand? And I'm sorry, but please don't leave. Don't go. I still love you. And I cannot live without you.
Story for the gods.
Mom? Mom, where are you going?
I'm going out. I am leaving this Sodom and Gomorrah for good. This man here doesn't have respect for me. He doesn't even have respect for the vow he took 26 years ago at the altar.
If you leave, I will die.
Oh! Glory, hallelujah! Why don't you die now? So that thing in between your two legs can at least, the thing that refused to rest can at least rest in peace.
What? Mom, you can't do this. A failed marriage at this stage of your lives? It doesn't make sense. It's not adding up.
So what makes sense? Can I ask you, which one makes sense to you, madam? The fact that he's cheating on me with prostitutes, is that the one that makes sense? Or just shut it? Please. Teresa, please. Listen, I am leaving this place for good and right now. Come and stop me if you can.
Mom!
Get out!
We don't talk anymore like we used to do. Holding down the secrets. Where is the peace? The peace is gone.
You want to marry that young man, eh? Evans?
Yes, Daddy.
Yes. If you want to marry that young man, you better go and bring my wife back here before I give you my blessing.
Idiot! Huh? Come on, will you open that gate? You nitwit.
Oh, please. Oh, please, I'm begging you. Oh, please, don't leave us. Oh, please. Oh, please, don't go.
Can I get out of my way? Get out!
Oh, we are sorry. We are sorry. We are sorry for everything. I'm sorry for everything I did, Mama. Please. Oh, please, I'm begging you. Oh, please. We are sorry. We are sorry, Mommy. Please, listen to me. I'm your daughter. Please. Mom, please. Dad, are you not going to say anything? Mom, I'm not standing up from here. If you have to leave, you have to run over me.
Really? Oh, you thought I won't do that because you're my child. Sugar, not after what you did. Now you listen to me. If you don't clear out of this place, I will run you over 10 times. Believe me. Now get out.
Please.
What's that?
Please do not go. Please don't go. Please, and if you insist on going, then you have to kill 3 people. Zara, myself, and the baby in her womb. Yes, I knew what she did and I forgave her. How much more you, our parents? Please, forgive her and give us your blessings. Please.
Sarah, you're pregnant for him? Does he know you were once a whore?
Yes, I know. I know. I forgave her, and I still want to make her my wife and the mother of my kids regardless. Please. I believe wherever she was in the past. It has nothing to do with her present, and it has got nothing to do with her future. Please, forgive her.
God have mercy. I didn't know you were pregnant. Get up, my child. I didn't know. I didn't know you were pregnant. I'm not going anywhere. I promise. I will not leave you. Not in this condition. I will not. Not when I know you want to make me a grandma. God have mercy on me. I'm sorry. Look at you. It's okay. No. Please don't cry. Thank you. Thank you so much. Sweetheart, it's okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mommy. I've forgiven you.
Thank you, honey. Please.
I broke your heart. I know I've made many mistakes. Please don't push me away. Take me back. I've realized that I've been influenced by the ones around. Now I'm breaking away. Now I feel like a slave in my own home. To err is human, to forgive is divine. Please take me back. I am sorry, and I am broken. Please take me back. Please take me back. I am lost. Help me to find my way. Help me to find my way. Oh, now I feel like a stranger in my home. The more I try to stop it, the more I fail. What will it cost me to break through? 'Cause I'm tired of this fight. It is killing me.